What's up everybody, this is Travis from ATTY. Today I'm going to install the ADV kit onto the Captain X3 by ATTY. The first thing you want to do is rotate each end counterclockwise, unscrew the chimney from the coil, go ahead and take your coil out, and then pop the glass piece off of the top. Now you need to take off the existing O-rings. I'll start with the bottom O-ring, that's the L-shaped one on the bottom 510 piece. Take that right off with a pair of tweezers. And then I'll go for the top round O-ring. Just going to pop it right off. Fairly simple to do. Now I'm going to install the round O-ring onto the top. I'll just slide the round O-ring over the chimney and put it into the groove. Now I'll install the bottom O-ring, that's the L-shaped O-ring. The flat side will go against the inner wall and the bottom. There's two stainless steel rings that come with the ADV kit. The ring that goes on the bottom has a protruding inner edge. You'll want to put this edge against the L-shaped O-rings that you have just installed. And the top stainless steel ring will go against the round O-ring and around the chimney. Both of the stainless steel rings have a black O-ring pre-installed. This O-ring will go against the 33mm glass that comes with the ADV kit. You'll put the glass in between the two stainless steel rings, and then you'll thread the chimney back into the coil. Screw them together clockwise, and you're ready to go. Thanks for stopping by. Be sure to like and subscribe our YouTube channel, and you have a great day.